Hello from Utah. I know you may be confused. Oh, hold on, big curve here. Oh, I'm back. You may be confused because you thought I was in Chicago. Or you may still think I'm in California. In August, I had to move to Chicago to help take care of the mother-in-law. And about 2 months ago, my mom fell and was sick, so I got on the motorcycle and rushed here to Utah to take care of her. And about 3 weeks ago, she went on hospice. Brought her home, and this is Tuesday. She passed away on Sunday. It's been a rough few weeks, a rough few days, a rough year. And while the fiance is still back in Chicago taking care of her mother because we're both only children. So, yeah, like I said, it's been rough. But, you may be confused from seeing Chicago taste tests. I recorded a bunch, and I've just been playing them weekly. I think I have one more left, so you'll have one more Chicago video, I think. Probably Wingstop. No, not Wingstop. A wing place that was really good. I've recorded a few things out here. Not many because I've been at home. In fact, at this very moment, I'm on my way to Vernal, Utah, which is about an hour away, and it is the nearest Walmart, and I need some shopping therapy. I haven't even been to a grocery in about 3 weeks. They just opened a Family Dollar / Dollar Tree next to the house, like a block away. That's been very helpful. I could run there real quick to grab a loaf of bread or something like that. Anyway, looks like I'm gonna have some spare time, so maybe I'll do some cooking. I still don't have my griddle with me yet. Maybe I'll post some cooking videos. Maybe I don't know. We'll see. I'm out in the middle of nowhere. The town that Mom lived in was 500 people, and I've got her 2 dogs, a pug and a Labradoodle mix. Both elderly. The pug is geriatric. I guess they're mine now, and they figure into, and I'm not gonna rehome them or anything. I mean, you can't do that to an older dog. That's just cruel. working for a drilling company out here, and got knocked off an oil rig and broke my shoulder pretty bad. Got adhesive capsulitis, which is frozen shoulder. Messed up my knee, which now has been replaced or partially replaced with titanium. The nearest hospital was like 2 hours away on dirt roads. That it happened in Colorado, and the hospital was in Utah. That's how far out. Bumpy roads, and I felt every single bump in my shoulder. Fun times. Anyway, I have my motorcycle. I haven't really ridden it other than occasionally when Mom was in the nursing home to rehab in the hospital. I'd run back and forth on it. But it's either... I hate riding in the wind. I can ride in the cold. I've ridden in snow. Not always successfully. I got caught in a blizzard on the way here in Steamboat Springs and had to get a tow into the city off the mountain. Anyway, enough of that. Hypothermia is no laughing matter, though. Got the bike. Maybe I'll do a little riding here and there. Maybe, I don't know. The pod full of our belongings has made it to Salt Lake City. They won't deliver to the boondocks where I am. So I either need to hire a couple guys with a U-Haul to help me move everything to the house, either that or go ahead and move it on to Chicago. That's yet to be decided. Like I said, lots to figure out, lots to do. There's so much to do. And right now I'm riding through the Ute Reservation. Usually I stop at their gas station, but I'll just ride on into Vernal. I got enough gas, I think. I hope. Fingers crossed. There's gonna be, like I said, one more Chicago area wing video. There's gonna be local videos. Yesterday I had to drive into town to eat with the funeral home, and while I was out, I went ahead and got a Taco Bell Cheez-It Crunch Wrap, which was good, but the Taco Bell itself sucked. I recorded that. It's the first time I've eaten out in a while. Been trying to stick close to home, save money. I couldn't leave. And honestly, there's one restaurant near us, about a mile away, 2 miles. It's an incredible steakhouse. Maybe I'll go get a burger or something there sometime. But there's that. A Ute-owned gas station, and with a diner that used to have decent food, but I'm not impressed lately. And now the Family Dollar. And that's all. monologue today. Just gives me someone to talk to besides the neighbors who that'll be a whole different video one day. Maybe not, to protect the innocent. Actually, I don't think any of them are innocent. They're all guilty of something, I'm sure. Actually, some of them are on some lists. It's an interesting neighborhood. 500 people. Anyway, Utah, the boondocks, me and the dogs, and we'll see what happens. Just passed by a truck on the way to deliver loads of pre-cut firewood to gas stations and groceries. Anyway, no more rambling. I'm done. Thank you again. I appreciate everyone